Heart disease is the #1 killer in America in both men and women, and KTBS3 has partnered with Christus Health. And joining me today is Dr. Monique Spears, and I appreciate you being with us.
Absolutely, I appreciate being here.
Tell me a little bit about how the symptoms are different in men and women.
So women can present with what we call atypical chest pain. So normally what you read about when you study this is left-sided, may radiate to the jaw or the neck or the shoulder, may be associated with what we call diaphoresis or excessive sweating, nausea, vomiting. In women, it can be right-sided. There may be vague symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and that might be it.
So when we talk about knowing the numbers, what does that mean? What numbers are we talking about?
So most importantly is knowing your blood pressure. Weight is also important. Your A1C,
Yeah.
which can tell us about prediabetes or diabetes,
Right.
and of course your cholesterol.
So what can we do to reduce those numbers? I know you've talked a lot about exercise before.
A lot. And that is what I stress first and foremost to my patients. The medications are here to help us, things to lower your cholesterol, things to help your A1C get better. But the most important thing that you can do for yourself is incorporating physical activity, aerobic, meaning anything that gets your heart pumping, makes you sweat, 30 to 45 minutes most days of the week.
And when you talk about weight, it's not just exercise, it's also what we're eating.
Exactly.
What are some things that we really should avoid or limit?
So, of course, limiting anything that is full of sugar, starches. And by sugar, a lot of people think Coke, candy, cookies, but pasta, rice, bread, all of those things break down to carbohydrates that are sugar. I don't ever want you to cut it completely out, but just paying attention to what you're eating and do so in moderation.
Great information. Thank you so much. And again, KTBS3 and Christus Health want to encourage you to have a healthy heart month. For KTBS3, I'm Community Projects Director Jan Elkins.